Imagine with all your might, believe with all your heart, achieve with all your might. I feel glad to call upon the students who deserve the award for the month of January. Attend today, achieve tomorrow. Assertive Attendee Award goes to Harshika S of Grade 1, Vagishwaran MS of Grade 2, Ritish V of Grade 3, Pranav SL of Grade 4, Srimant S of Grade 5, Avantika G of Grade 6, Chandresh I of Grade 7, Kavin M of Grade 8, Madan T of Grade 9, Isha SV of Grade 10, Kavya VS of Grade 11A, Samita GK of Grade 11A, Shruti S of Grade 11A, Kavindraj S of Grade 11B, Srijit B of Grade 11B, Varun S of Grade 11B, Naveen Sarvesh V of Grade 12A, Raghavi M of Grade 12A, Rindhya VR of Grade 12B, and Swati S of Grade 12B. Art reveals who you are. Awesome Artist Award goes to Dhanyashri SVJ of Grade 1, Kavish Priyan R of Grade 2, Dhanush Balaji S of Grade 3, Vidukshna PK of Grade 4, Pujashri J of Grade 5, Pratish S of Grade 6, Manisha N of Grade 7, Harini K of Grade 8, Darshini S of Grade 9, Sri Rajeshwari S of Grade 10, Nandini M of Grade 11B, Varun S of Grade 11B, and Swati S of Grade 12B. Learning is a treasure that will follow its owner everywhere. Committed Learner Award goes to Adiksha SG of Grade 1, Saumitra VA of Grade 2, Amrish SG of Grade 3, Sanjana V of Grade 4, Darun JM of Grade 5, Abhushajit A of Grade 6, Sahatmika V of Grade 7, Kavin P of Grade 8, Nahulesh R of Grade 9, Dharanish S of Grade 10, Tanmayshri P of Grade 10, Harini D of Grade 11A, Shruti S of Grade 11A, Suchitra S of Grade 11A, Kavindraj S of Grade 11B, Naveen Sarvesh V of Grade 12A, Sri Akshaya A of Grade 12A, Sriniti S of Grade 12A, Rindhya VR of Grade 12B, and Swati S of Grade 12B. Excellence is a prevailing attitude. Meritorious Marvel Award goes to Mithun JM of Grade 1, Dhanutra S of Grade 2, Ashwavarshini V of Grade 3, Sai Prasad P of Grade 4, Vishnupriyan R of Grade 5, Sudarshan S of Grade 6, Muhil Nilavu of Grade 7, Ashwant MS of Grade 8, Sanjushri S of Grade 9, Mauliya VR of Grade 10, Kavya VS of Grade 11A, Shruti S of Grade 11A, Nandini M of Grade 11B, Srijit B of grade 11B, Varun S of grade 11B, Harini R of grade 12A, Raghavi M of grade 12A, Sriniti S of grade 12A, Rindhya V R of grade 12B, and Swati S of grade 12B. An ounce of performance is worth pounds of premises. Passionate Performer Award goes to Ilakya K of grade 1, Sahana V of grade 2, Shashtipriyan M of grade 3, Nagusan S of grade 4, Navya V R of grade 5, Kaniyan P of grade 6, Sri Kishant A of grade 7, Bhumita M of grade 8, Jainika S of grade 9, and Ashmita T of grade 10.